So, my internet advisor, who shall remain nameless, advised me that the last video sucked. So, for today's unboxing video, I'm going to try to improve it. Nazar, this one's for you. We have Vintage Cameroon by H.Upmann, 1884. And a bunch of assorted singles, añejo, aged 5 years. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's see. I can tell right away. Very smooth. Delicious. Jazzy, you want to try?
Sure.
Here you go.
H.Upmann, 1844. It's a long time the cigar's been around.
Funny.
Ooh, I accidentally inhaled it and it was still smooth. Very nice. Just like a very subtle hint of vanilla and cedar.
Interesting.
I like it. Very nice.
All right, time to smoke. Keep smoking until next time.